Here's the cash, as we agreed.
Thank you. The keys are all yours.
Appreciate it. All right, she's hooked. Pull her up. Keep her straight. Watch the ramp. She's on. Securing now. All right, let's get this engine looked at. This bolt is seized tight. Got it. Let's see the damage. All right, new alternator is seated. Now to torque it down. All right, new tire mounted. Time to torque these down. 1, 2, nice and tight. Okay, disconnecting the wiring harness now. All right, pulling the assembly out. It's free. All right, let's get these new headlights in. Perfect, they're on and looking bright. All right, old one's out. New one in, securing it now.